This 1936 Ford sedan 4-door is a vintage gem that's been a reliable daily driver for several years. Featuring an original 1950 Mercury 255 Ci Flathead V8 engine, paired with a stock 3-speed manual transmission and a rebuilt rear end with 3.25:1 gears, it offers a great driving experience. The odometer reads 5,063 miles, and the vehicle boasts a clean title. Although not a show car, its all-steel body and well-maintained mechanics make it an ideal choice for vintage car enthusiasts or collectors. Recent updates include redone brakes, new seals, modern shocks, and a PowerMaster HD alternator. The engine runs strong, with dual exhausts and a rebuilt carburetor. Its interior, while original, features recovered seats and additional gauges for added comfort. With wide 5 wheels, new radial tires, and a smooth ride, this sedan is both a comfortable and functional classic. A perfect opportunity for someone who appreciates vintage cars in great running condition or desires a restoration project. For more details and pictures, please check the link in the description. This classic 1936 Plymouth P2 sedan is currently offered at $20,000 and presents a fantastic opportunity for vintage car enthusiasts or collectors. In good condition, it features a 6-cylinder gas engine with approximately 73,000 miles. This well-maintained vehicle boasts a silver paint job, a clean title, a manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The seller describes it as having straight metal, a nice interior, new top, new wheels and tires, and a tight 1951 Plymouth 6-cylinder motor. Additional upgrades include a new clutch, Volvo 4-speed transmission, 8-inch Mustang rear end, POS rear, new shocks, front axle leaf spring, disc brakes, coilover shocks, and a crank-out windshield. Its good bones make it an excellent candidate for restoration or to be enjoyed as a vintage driver, offering an authentic 1930s driving experience. This car combines nostalgic charm with reliable upgrades, making it a standout piece for collectors. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. Presenting a striking 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Street Rod, finished in vibrant red and located in Finland, Minnesota. Offered at $40,000, this coupe boasts an excellent condition body and a clean title, clearly loved and meticulously cared for by the seller, who reports no rust, no leaks, and consistent indoor storage. Under the hood, it sports a powerful 8-cylinder gas engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it as enjoyable to cruise as it is to show. With just 5,000 miles on the odometer, and with upgrades like new springs and shocks, this classic combines vintage style with modern reliability. Whether you're seeking a show-ready collector's piece or a vintage driver that stands out from the crowd, this Master Deluxe is a rare find with undeniable curb appeal. Interested in this well-preserved, custom-built gem? Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1937 Ford Club Coupe Deluxe is a great classic car with a clean title, priced at $29,900. It's located in Bonita Springs, Florida. The car boasts an 8-cylinder 221 cubic inch Flathead V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a true vintage driving experience. With only 2,121 miles on the odometer, this car is in good condition and ready to be enjoyed or restored. The brown exterior, tan mohair interior, and unique Art Deco style wood grain dash with Bakelite knobs give it a nostalgic appeal. Additionally, it features chrome bumpers, dual mirrors, a clock in the dash, and color-matched painted steel wheels with dog dish V8 center caps. This classic is perfect for anyone looking for a vintage car to drive or restore. For more information and photos, be sure to check the link in the description. Slip into the golden age of motoring with this stunning 1937 Jaguar SS100 Duke replica, priced at $26,000 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This beautiful 2-seater vintage gem is in excellent condition, with just 21,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, this car features manual transmission and front-wheel drive for an authentic driving experience. The sleek green paint adds to its Hollywood charm, while the clean title status and smooth, responsive ride ensure it's ready for the road. perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates classic automotive beauty. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of history. This Jaguar is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1937 Ford Tudor Slantback is a true classic in excellent condition. Featuring an all-steel body, a 5.7L V8 engine, and an automatic transmission, it delivers power and performance. The car has only 3,500 miles on the odometer and is equipped with front disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, and a 9-foot rear end. Its body and paint are in outstanding shape, and it runs and drives perfectly. Offered at $27,000 for best offer, with open consideration for interesting trades, this vehicle presents a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a vintage car that's ready to be enjoyed as is or further restored. With its clean title and well-maintained condition, this car offers a great balance of history and modern performance. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1937 Ford pickup is a classic vintage truck listed at $29,000, located in Yucca Valley, California. It features a robust 289 Ford engine paired with an overdrive transmission that ensures smooth drives, and the odometer reads only 890 miles, indicating low usage. The truck is in excellent condition with a clean title and has been maintained with many new parts, including brakes, wheel bearings, wheels, and tires, all driven less than 900 miles over the past 2 years. Painted in white, this pickup makes a great restoration project or a vintage driver with a timeless appeal. Notable features include independent suspension, front disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, a tachometer, new oil pressure gauge, custom wheels and tires, a new bed, and recent registration. The seller mentions it is very drivable, can be operated with one finger, and highlights its reliability and strong street presence. The truck has won awards at car shows and offers many new and upgraded parts, making it ideal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained vintage vehicle with lots of character. It also features a modern interior, new shifter, fire extinguishers, and an Oga horn. The seller is open to trades for an El Camino or C10 Chevy pickup of similar value. For enthusiasts interested in a classic American pickup with excellent history, condition, and appearance, this 1937 Ford pickup offers a lot of value and style. Check the link in the description for more photos and information. Up for grabs in Northport, Washington, this striking 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe is an absolute standout for classic car enthusiasts. Priced at $24,000, this vintage beauty features a professionally rebuilt 350 engine paired with a robust TH400 automatic transmission, ensuring both reliability and performance. With just 46,173 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it's clear this coupe has been preserved with care. The upgraded Jim Meyer front suspension adds a modern touch to its vintage charm, giving you a much improved driving experience compared to most classics from this era. Its classic two-door coupe styling makes it a real head-turner at car shows or weekend cruises, and it offers a fantastic opportunity whether you're looking to fully restore it, enjoy it as a stylish daily driver, or add it to your collection. If you crave timeless curves, a powerful V8, and a clean, original feel all in one package, this Chevrolet is a compelling candidate. For more details and a closer look at the photos, check the link in the description. Step back in time with this remarkable 1940 Pontiac Street Rod, offered at $32,500 in Riderwood, Washington. Underneath its classic curves, you'll find all the performance of a C4 Corvette, a 350 fuel-injected motor paired with an overdrive transmission and independent front and rear suspension. With only 6,700 miles showing, this custom coupe features suicide doors, a flawless rust-free body, an all-steel custom dash and center console, power windows, and a stylish leather interior, including the trunk. Unique touches like electric wipers, air conditioning, needs a charge, and extensive body modifications make this Pontiac a real head-turner. The car holds a clean title and is ready for cruise nights or car shows, offering modern drivability wrapped in vintage style. Whether you're looking for a showpiece or an everyday classic driver, this rare blend of history and engineering could be your next garage centerpiece. For photos and more info, check the link in the description. Discover this 1941 Chevrolet Super Deluxe Coupe, priced at $10,500 and currently available in Silmark, California. This classic coupe is powered by a 6-cylinder gas engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the odometer shows just 100 miles since restoration or reset. Its original paint adds a cool touch of authentic patina, while the body and mechanics are in good condition, according to the seller. Garaged since 1974, the car comes with a clean title, the original front bumper, an extra set of classic white wall tires, and even a tune-up kit with ignition coils perfect for tinkerers and vintage enthusiasts. Whether you're itching for a rewarding restoration project or a unique weekend cruiser, this Chevy offers plenty of charm and investment potential. Interested in owning this slice of automotive history? Check the link in the description for more info and photos.